Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Mifa X8. As you can see, the package is in front of us. We are going to test these earphones and see what we have from them. As you can see, the package is black and yellow, which is a very good combination. You can never go wrong with them. In the back we have some specification about them and some Mifa logos. You can see we have the QR code as well and the barcode. Let's unbox it. And as you can see, all around the box is the yellow color, which stands out really good. Immediately we can see the charging bank or the earphones holder, how you want to call them. You can see in the back we have again some information as model and power mode and so on. You can see we have two more earphones holder or the pieces for your ear, and we have the charger as well. It's a short charger, but it does the job and it charges up the holder for your earphones, so it's not a big deal. Underneath all that we have the user manual. As you can see right here, the Mifa logo, X8, and we have here the warranty. We have all kinds of languages, different ones, so it's very important. We have here the Bluetooth connection, touch sensors, we have touch control, and all kinds of information which we will use later in the video. You can see right here, when you open up, it's magnetic. The case is magnetic. We have three LED indicators in the case. When you take the earphones out, you will notice the magnet in the earphones as well, which is a very good thing to have in your earphones so they don't fall out. So we have 40 mAh per battery in each earphones. We have Bluetooth 5.0 and we have a good microphone that we will test a little bit later. Also we have 4.8 grams per earbuds, which is very light. We have a battery capacity starting from 450 mAh, and that is the holder or the box of the earphones, which you can charge multiple times these earphones, so you can use them for a couple of hours, maybe a whole day, or maybe 2 days if you don't use them so often. You can see the earphones right here, and we have the phone in front of us. So let's go ahead straight to the Bluetooth, turn it on, pair new device, and the X8 logo should pop up. As you can see, we have now here the X8 logo. Press pair, wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, it asks to pair again. Press pair, and they are paired. Now they are paired, we can go ahead to the YouTube, play some songs, and test these out. So as you can see, we have the song in front of us. I have the earphones in my ears, and honestly, I'm not hearing myself at all. They seal your ears pretty good, which is a very good thing. So if you press once, you can play or pause the video or the song, which is very usual in touch models. We have double tap left one to lower the volume, and the double tap to right one to raise the volume, and we have press and hold the right one to play previous songs, and press and hold the left one to play the next song. Press 3 times for Google Assistant, is the newer version of earphones, which is very useful. Thanks. Let's test it. As you can see, it opens up the Facebook immediately. Let's go ahead and test with Instagram. You can see it opens up without any problem, and the TikTok videos all over the place, honestly. You can see with the YouTube it works as well. It plays again the song, which is a very good thing, and this makes the Mifa X8 a very good earphones, and it proves us that the microphone works. The sound is very good, very great, and they honestly look good. They sit real good in your ears. They go right in the ear, so you will have flush ears. As we mentioned in the beginning, the lights, the LED lights we have here, so if these red lights will stay on until the earphones are fully charged. When you take them off, they flash blue lights, so they are trying to connect with each other. When they connect, you can see the red and blue, they are trying to connect with a phone. And the 3 LED lights in the case, which indicates the battery life in there. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting or helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.